Alright, so we're out today on the Tiger, doing some run in Georgia. This is the Richard Russell Scenic Byway near Helen, Georgia. Fantastic place.
So let us away, gentle viewer. So if you know the area, you already know there's a ton of good roads in this area. This is a good road. Beautiful. That one says 25. Route 348, Georgia. Up. Wish I had something that would tell me what the grade was, not like the steepness. Like, I can tell you this is steep, but I can't, I can't tell you how steep it is. And you can't really tell on video, you never can. What a curve that is. Good boy, that's pretty. This place is full of really good curves. Oh, and then big old hill to go up to. Curious to see what the elevation is here once we stop somewhere.
Somebody left their visor here. It's an odd thing to leave behind. It's scratched. You got home when you realized you don't have your visor. There it is. Alright, so this is one of the overlooks on the Richard Russell Scenic Byway. It's called Hogpen Gap. You can see all the mountains there. Let's see. Brasstown Bald. Oops, sorry. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it here. It's not really. But it's right at 4,800 feet. So that's the tallest place in Georgia, is right over there. This looks like a good spot for you to live.
Taking the view in, because it is a hell of a view. But while I was sitting here, there was a group of sport bikes coming up the mountain, coming this way. And you can see those rock walls right there. And they were on the throttle pretty hard coming up through there. And it was the most glorious sound. It was just like a wall of awesome. Alright, I'm gonna go. This is very, very steep. How steep is it? I can tell you because there was a sign back there. It's a 12% grade. Trucks use lower gears. Motorcycles, whatever gear you want to. So, very steep. Steep and twisty. Just how I like it. You gotta really mean it when you get on the brakes here. Go through the corners a bit too quickly. So, let's rate this road, shall we? Basically no turnoffs, mostly just a few overlooks and a few little turnout spots like that right there. But nothing major. Very curvy, lots of elevation changes. The road is in good shape. So, I have to conclude that it is a great road. How great is it though? No, my rating scale goes from 1 to 10. If I think it's a great road, it's at least an 8. But as always, we're going to compare it to probably the best road on the East Coast. And I know everybody will disagree with that, but I've made whole videos about why it is. So go check those out if you disagree. Then you can disagree with me there. Comparing it to Tail of the Dragon, which is not really all that far from here. But if we say Tail of the Dragon is like a good solid 9.5, just because no road is perfect. And the biggest thing that hurts this one is not really all that long. You only get maybe, I don't know, 6 miles of good mountain road to ride, and then it's kind of over. But those 5 or 6 miles are very good. So we're going to say this is like an 8.7. Definitely a great road. Richard Russell Scenic Byway, absolutely, you should go ride it. It's a good time. Plus, and this helps the overall score because there's a ton of other roads in this area that are really good, so you can kind of link them all together and make a whole day out of kick-ass roads. Alright, so this is that point in the video where I say if you like it, comment on it, share it, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff, because every time you do, it gets me one little step closer to being able to go and do the next cool thing. Watch out!